What up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of just some fishing in the river. We got Bubba right there with the boat. Truck's back there, but let's go ahead and get in the water. We'll go in and catch the fish. Got a little thing. Look at that! Look at the gator. Look. Hey, buddy. How you doing? He's seen this fish playing in the water. I think whenever by you.
He went down from
Yeah. Yes. Little red breast. Got him. Oh, there we go. Shiner. Oh yeah, Bubba done hooked up to one. What is that? A little jackfish? That's cool. Red breast. Pretty little hens. Little brim. Got him. Little old dude. We're on a limb, there you go. We done come way back here off the river, down here in this little slough. What you got? Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about, Bubba. Oh yeah. Get you one up in here. Decent one.
What would you do if somebody from in here?
That wouldn't feel too good. There was a fly through that tree. Look, that little fish. Look at him.
Didn't even know you had one on.
Yeah, he was pulling. Well, there's probably not no more around. There we go. Decent one, ain't it?